Over the next 3 days, 26 flights have been scheduled to bring out Indian citizens. Apart from Bucharest and Budapest, airports in Poland and the Slovak Republic will also be used. We will mount as many flights as required. A C-17 Indian Air Force aircraft is also expected to fly out tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. And reach Romania, where it would also bring back, repatriate our citizens who are there. We will be also, in the course of the next few days, mounting more Indian Air Force flights to bring back our citizens. I had also mentioned humanitarian assistance to Ukraine at the request of the Ukrainian government. A flight left this morning carrying the first tranche of humanitarian assistance to Ukraine through Poland. The consignment comprised medicines, medical equipment, other relief material. Another flight tomorrow will carry a second consignment, also through Poland. And besides medicines, we have a number of other items that are also there, which are all for the use of humanitarian use in Ukraine. You are aware that Prime Minister yesterday had spoken to his counterparts in the Slovak Republic and Romania to seek their assistance in continued support to our evacuation efforts. He has just now spoken to the President of Poland in a similar endeavor. He has also received calls, and this happened as we were at the meeting, from the President of France and the President of the European Union Commission, Charles Michel. So in a sense that, we are certainly reaching out diplomatically to all concerned to ensure the safety and security and protection of our citizens in Ukraine. I think we have examined every possible option. The safe passage that we are seeking is very, very important. I had emphasized to both the Russian and the Ukrainian ambassadors the importance of providing this corridor, this option to enable our citizens to leave Kharkiv and Sumy. And I think the ambassadors recognized the necessity of getting our citizens out of this conflict zone. And we will be in touch with them in this regard.